The less than operator is a relational operator used to compare two values. It returns true if the value on the left side is smaller than the value on the right side. Otherwise, it returns false. This operator works with numeric types such as integers, floating point numbers, and doubles. It also works with characters, where the comparison is based on their Unicode values. In addition, it can be used with some user-defined types that support comparison by implementing the required logic.